Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. Today I have made this video for Sushant Singh Rajput and I have asked from my cards that what are the symptoms through which we can identify that he has taken rebirth. Someone has asked from me. So this card, first card came out. This shows that when the family of the Sushant, that means the mother, father, and all the other family members will be present at that home. That means the joint family will be developed at that home. Then he will come in that family, in the joint family. Earlier also I have predicted that he will take birth in the joint family only, because it will be not good for the Sushant to take birth in a nuclear family. It is very dangerous for him, because the security will be finished. Because in this birth also Sushant is, when he is alone, then only he had been killed by some dirty people, no. So father is not with him. So it is very dangerous for him to take birth in a nuclear family. This card shows that he will take birth in a joint family. He will live uh, with his family. And this card shows as soon as justice will be done with the Sushant, that means as soon as he will justice do with murderer and killers, he will take birth. When the spirit of the Sushant will be satisfied, relaxed, that yes, I have got the justice, then only Sushant will come on the earth. And as I predicted earlier also, it will take 2 years. Within 2 years, it is definite the Sushant will come. And this card shows again of the angel, you can see, and this angel is giving responsibility to this very talented person. This is of Sushant, that yes, you will go on the earth and you have to do this work. This card has also came earlier also, if you have remembered. So Sushant will come in on this earth to do something good deeds, without any authorized, you can say, without any good deed he will not come. He will be given some responsibility through the god that he has to complete. And this card shows that Sushant will come will come like a student or a science student. Just now we all know that in this birth of Sushant is very good student and very good science student, and he is responsible also. In that birth also he will be same like this only, and he will be knowledgeable, he will be very good student, but he will take care of his family also. This card shows this. And the last which came out is of the cards are showing that spirit don't want to give the answer, that where he will take birth actually. Because what that means, where, I will not say where, but the spirit don't want to tell that how we will identify that baby has taken the birth. That spirit is not answering. These both cards are negative. That means spirit is not accepting my question, that he doesn't want to give the answer from the security point of view, that where that baby will warrant the identification in the nature or something like that. We, in the nature especially, we got the symptom that yes, this baby has came and it is not a normal baby. So these types of symptoms, whatever I have asked from the spirit don't want to give. But still I have requested many times, if you will see the video, that please tell that what are the symptoms and how we will identify. And when I have requested many times the spirit, then this card came out is of family. That means shows mother father. Again also earlier also it has came out. It is Sushant Singh Rajput want to show that mother father will be there, and the mother father, there will be some involvement of the other family members also. That means he will got the joint family. The mother father will be struggling with their marriage life. These are the symptoms. And her father will be very you can say believe in the religion, and his mother will be very harmonious, very patient, very innocent type of lady. This card shows this only. His mother will be very good, very quiet, and his father will be very strict in the religion. He will be good person, no doubt, but he will be, as a father he will be very responsible and believe very much in God. And this card, if I will relate, the symptoms which spirit gave is that there is some obstacle between these two people, mother father. There will be some obstacle. This dragon type of person, uh, you can say, pressuring something on the mother father. That means they will be pressurized by this bad person, and Sushant will come to destroy this person. And this shows that he will take birth, as I have told, in the Catholic, uh, in the Christian family, and that family will be this intention which I have got from the uh, cards, that he will take rebirth in a very rich and prosperous family. Like father will be like an emperor or something, very higher authority. Uh, I don't know who is this family in Catholic or religion, where is Christian, because in America there is no religion, there is a pragma actually, and pragmatism, they follow the pragmatives. But in the Rome, Italy, and where there is very nice cities are there. That means how can I say, like a cities related to the Gulf or oceanic, or where there is Christianity is very much followed and people are truthworthy, which I predicted. So this card shows that the family will be very rich and prosperous. His father will be like an emperor there. I don't know which family he is indicating, but we must be knowing this, or which family he is showing that his father is very responsible person, very high authority person. His father will be very high authority person, and he will be just like a prince. Sushant will be just like a prince in that birth. If you have seen my predictions earlier also, the prince card is coming again and again. That means this card shows that his father will be hurted by some person, some this type of person who is hurting from the back side, you can see. And this Sushant again will destroy this dragon type of person who will be hurting his father from the back side. Maybe I don't know if the family member or any assistant or any office, you can say, who has to manage the office. Whosoever person is this, I don't know, but Sushant will destroy this person and identify this person, that yes, this person is creating problem in my family. And these are the symptoms that which spirit wants to show, that he will come in a very rich and prosperous family in a Catholic or Catholic type of area. I don't know what type of area this having a very rich prosperous family. If you will ask from me that whether it will be Rome or Italy, or I don't know what type of Gulf type of countries where there is very peace, and where there is especially peace. So this card shows, again this card of the girl has came out. That means Sushant will come to marry this girl, and to take this for this girl to take the love, you can say. He will marry this girl. I don't know, there must be some aim or purpose to marry this girl. He will be wife of this Sushant in that birth. And he will be from the very rich family. This girl will be from the rich family, and Sushant will also be very rich and prosperous. So these card symptoms shows that this girl is very, you can say, just like a princess. You can say she will be not none other like a princess. So, and very quiet and innocent and very humble nature lady. So these cards shows that how we will identify that where that yes, Sushant had taken birth. How can we identify? Through the family, we can say. He is showing again and again the family members. I don't know why the spirit is showing family members again and again. Maybe he wanted to tell that he will take birth in a not a normal family. It will be a very famous or very rich type of family in the Catholic area, and in Christian type of areas, in near the Gulf, or near the oceanic, or near the Rome, near the Italy type of where there will be peace and loving people and truthworthy people. Earlier also these cards have came out, they are just similar. So I think you have got the answer, that where he will take birth and what are the symptoms. Thank you for watching my video.